Medical notes this week. New precision medicine may be a breakthrough for cancer treatment. Research published in the journal Science may offer a new approach to treating glioma brain tumors. This type of cancer frequently develops a resistance to traditional treatments after a year, which often leads to death. Researchers have created compounds that damage the tumor's DNA without affecting the surrounding healthy cells. The scientists are excited to further test this targeted treatment with clinical trials in 2024. Is dry cleaning bad for your health? According to researchers, Parkinson's disease is the world's fastest growing brain condition, and a common chemical may be contributing to the rise. Trichloroethylene, or TCE, has been used to decaffeinate coffee and dry clean clothes for the past century. Unfortunately, the chemical is linked to a 500% increased risk of Parkinson's disease. Research in the Journal of Parkinson's Disease details the extensive use of TCE and speculates that it plays a major role in the development of Parkinson's. And finally, light therapy could mend your heart. Research in the journal Lasers in Surgery and Medicine shows improved heart functioning in mice when exposed to photobiomodulation therapy. The mice received low-dose light therapy for 2 minutes, 5 days a week. Scientists believe it affects inflammation, immune system functions, and stem cell activity. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Shel Lustig.